Hi everyone, my name's Sally and welcome to my Koala Feed Tree Project. Did you know there's over 800 species of eucalyptus trees in Australia, but koalas will only eat about 100 of those species, and depending on where the koala is found, it may only eat about 10. Now today the species I'm working with is Eucalyptus tereticornis and Eucalyptus microcorys. Now these two species are found up and down the coast, from Queensland right down to New South Wales and a little bit into Victoria. Now the first couple of videos I showed you, the first one was the setup of my little experiment, and then the second one was the planting. Now this one, what I'm going to show you is what happened. So we're up to day 21. Now eucalyptus seeds are supposed to germinate between days 14 and 21. So our tereticornis, this one germinated on day 5, so quite early. It germinated in the sand and the soil mix. So it germinated there first. The tereticornis at the front, it germinated after day 17, and it germinated in the vermiculite and soil mix first. Our microcorys, this seed tray here, it germinated on day 9, and it again also germinated in the sand. And our microcorys at the front germinated on day 12, again in the sand. So the sand and the soil mixture was quite popular for the eucalyptus seeds, and I think that's because eucalyptus are quite hardy, so they'll grow in lots of different harsh conditions. Now just a note as well, these seedling trays, I did not have them sitting in a water tray. I pretty much watered them every single day. Okay, now so you can see pretty much the sand and the soil mix was the popular growing mixture. This one was vermiculite. There is one, I think, in the sand and a couple in the dirt, but the coir, not so great for growing eucalyptus as far as this little experiment is concerned, because I found when I was watering the coir, the water dripped through quite quickly, so it lost a lot of moisture quite quickly. Now, what I want you to do is have a look at the videos coming up, and I'll show you a comparison of how the seeds germinated over the 21 days. I hope you like the videos. What you might have noticed in the video was that in some of the trays there's quite a lot of seedlings in the one pod. Now that's because I planted them using the chaff and the seed together. So I was literally just sort of trying to see, because I didn't know how many seeds I was going to put in there. Whereas you'll see with these trays in front, I actually picked the seeds out of the chaff and I just put the seeds in each pod. So that's why there's less germination going on in these ones as opposed to these ones. Now the problem I've got now is that I'm going to have to separate these or cut some of them off. So what I thought I'd do is I would try, I've got some old coffee cups that are compostable, so I thought I'd put slits in the sides and holes in the bottom similar to the trays to allow the roots to grow out and down, and try and split them apart and using these and see how we go, because you can actually plant these directly into the ground. So that's what I'm going to show you in the next video.